So we were recently inspected by Estyn, and it was a very large and complex inspection. It was a very supportive experience. We had really good regular dialogue with the reporting inspector, and that helped us to understand clearly what Estyn expected of us as an organisation, and it enabled us to prepare staff for what they would be experiencing during the inspection and to allay any concerns that they may have had. They really enjoyed the fact that the team that came were a mixture of Estyn inspectors who were experienced in FE and also peer inspectors from other FE institutions across Wales. As nominee for the inspection, there was extra work for the planning team because we needed to ensure that we could provide Estyn with a plan that showed for the 2 weeks of the inspection. We did shoulder that work though because it was very important to us that teachers and support staff were able to focus on what was important, which is the learner experience and the progress. This is the 5th inspection of my career, and it was a refreshing change because I definitely saw a shift where the focus now is on the teaching and learning and the professional dialogue. The inspection was really useful for us because it enabled us to sense check and validate our own self-assessment of where we think we're at as an organisation.
Ar ôl I Estyn fod, mi oedd pawb yn meddwl bod o wedi bod yn brofiad gadarnhaol iawn, a mi oedd un aelod o staff yn deud yn ddoe yn digwydd bod ond un o'r uchafbwyntiau ei gyrfa hi hyd yma. Felly oedd yn brofiad gadarnhaol, mi oedd tiwtoriaid yn gwerthfawrogi cael y deialog broffesiynol yna.
The general message for the inspection was not to over-prepare, just to do what we do and to show off the excellent teaching and learning that we already have in place. And I think that was really important because initially you might feel a little bit worried about what the inspectors want to see, but actually what they want to see is you doing what you do every day.
Y cyngor dyma rheolwyr yn rhoi iddo fi oedd I peidio paratoi yn byd o gwbl, mynd I fewn, bod fy hun a dangos os maen nhw'n gofyn y gwaith dwi wedi gwneud yn barod a doedd nhw'n paratoi eisiau cael ei wneud o gwbl. Dy fi oedd o'n profiad dda a oedd o'n dangos na y dysgwr oedd hi yn meddwl am mwy na'n byd arall.
Oedd 'na chydig bach o boeni amdan be oedd yn mynd I ddigwydd achos o'n I heb 'di cael gorchwiliad o blaen, ond ar y cyfan oedd o'n experience positif iawn. Oedden nhw yna I gefnogi ni, oedden nhw yna I ddatblygu dysgu ni a lleisiant y students. Mae o'n rhywbeth positif iawn I fod yn rhan ohono fo.
Nes I cyfarfod yr arolygydd ar-lein. Dwi'n teimlo doedd hyn ddim yn broblem o gwbl, oedd yn neud I bawb teimlo'n cyfforddus. Mi nath o siarad efo'r fyfyrwyr hefyd, a mi ges I adborth cadarnhaol ar diwedd o wers hefyd. Roedd yr rheolwyr yn clir efo'r neges I bod yn barod. Dwi ddim yn meddwl fyddai'n poeni ar gyfer arolygiad yn y dyfodol. Dwi'n meddwl mae'r brofiad wedi bod yn cadarnhaol positif ar y cyfan, felly mae hyn ddim yn broblem.